Y'all, it has been raining all freaking night. Excuse my voice, I just got up, but it was raining since like 2 a.m. and it's now 9 o'clock. And there is a storm, like a advisory. You're not even supposed to really be outside right now. Like, it's so bad. I cannot believe that the wind was literally waking me up last night. It was so bad out here. Like, I barely got any sleep. That's how loud this thing has been all night long. All right, good morning, you all. Welcome to the vlog. If you're new over here, make sure you hit the subscribe button as you enter on in. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. So I just got another warning on my phone that the flood storm warning is going to be active until 4 o'clock. It's now 10 a.m. and basically today is going to be a washout. So I'm just going to play my day around being inside for now. And now I'm about to just start some breakfast because I'm kind of off to a late start today, but that's cool. I'm going to go ahead and make some pancakes. Actually, I don't even know because I forgot to get butter yesterday. But we're going to make something for breakfast and get the day started. All right, y'all. So I'm doing a little 1-2, 1-2 in the kitchen. Sausage, pancakes, eggs. I'm using my smallest pan to do my pancakes, so those are going to be a while. But everything else is done. And then we're going to go ahead and eat breakfast. Tell me why. We go to the store like pretty much every day, right? And I've been meaning to get oil, butter, and just, you know, like a few little odds and ends type things. Nothing like major, but I guess now I do need to do like some major stuff because my freezer is kind of low. So I want to fill that back up because actually it's very low. And then I just need to get like seasonings and things that we ran out of, butter, oil, stuff like that, bread, cream cheese, that type of thing. So yeah, I guess I do need to make the grocery runs soon. It won't be today probably because like I said, the flash flood warning is going on and my tires are so bad I dare not even drive around the corner in the rain, let alone to no store out the way. So I think what I'm gonna do is write me a list because that seems to be the only way I'm gonna remember what I need from the darn store, because I done went there for several things. A lot of days Aiden been wanting to go to get stuff and I'll let him go and I'll be like, okay, just grab me this, this, and that, and still forget the main things that I've been saying I want to get. So this stops today. All right, so breakfast has been over. It is actually 5:11 on the dot, and child, it is still pouring down raining. They claimed the storm was going to go till 2 o'clock. Then they sent them another warning out saying 4 o'clock. Then they sent another warning out saying 6 o'clock. But the way that it's raining out there, this could go on till tomorrow morning. Like, it's really pouring down. So, as I said, we've been in here all day. I really want to go to the store because I need some butter, some cooking oil, some olive oil. Like I said, my little odds and ends that I need in the kitchen. Because I got some drumsticks that I took out to make for dinner tonight. But I want to make mashed potatoes. And of course, I'm not going to make mashed potatoes without butter. So it's probably just going to be the chicken. I'm going to barbecue it, I believe. And then I'm just going to make some rice and broccoli or something. Because even broccoli I would really need butter for. But I can do without butter on the broccoli versus doing without butter on the potatoes. Because that's definitely a no-no for me. So since it's about after 5 now, I'm going to go ahead and check my meat to see if it's fully thawed out. Because I took it out kind of late. It probably was like around 11 o'clock. I normally like to take it out a little bit earlier than that. But I'm going to go check to see if it's ready. And if it is, we're going to go ahead and just get started on dinner and the rest of my nighttime routine stuff. So it is officially cooking time. I got my drumsticks that are leaking everywhere because they are fully thawed. So I'm going to bake these and then I'm going to barbecue them. What I hate about drumsticks is the fact that they have all of that thick skin on them. And I just really hate like that. So I strip that off. So I gotta stop and take off. This is why I don't really get drumsticks. I just like wings, and I don't want to have to be bothered with all the extra. I put a little bit of ice on the tip part right here. Oh, maybe I should give them a little bit more time, huh? As long as they've been sitting out here, I would think they'd be good by now. What time is it? I'm gonna be eating dinner so late tonight because it's already 6 something now. So if I give them till like 7 o'clock, I probably won't be done dinner till around 9. Well, maybe like 8:30, maybe. It's gonna take the chicken an hour in the oven, and then. Well, yeah, it might just be like an hour and a half because I can just make the sides right away, like while those are. I'm trying to get my head together, but maybe that's what I'll do. Leave these to thaw out for like another hour, and then I'll go ahead and start making the mashed potatoes and stuff now. So I'll really just be waiting on the chicken. So I decided that I'm going to make the mashed potatoes even without the butter. But I'm going to, I'm going to just make a small batch, and I'm going to make it with, just put some cheese in it and see how I like it. Like a cheesy mashed potato, and see if Allison will enjoy it without the butter. I'm going to make a side of rice for Ace because I know he's not going to eat anything with cheese in it. And then I'll make some broccoli for us to have as well. So let's go ahead and start the potatoes now. I'm going to use just a half a box of the stock because, like I said, I'm literally going to make a small batch only because I don't know if I'm going to like it with just the cheese and no butter and all of that. I don't really want to go too hard, do too much, and then I end up hating it and it's just a waste, you know? So I'm going to use a half a box of this, and I'm only going to boil about 4 potatoes. This is like another experiment. So if this works out, actually I might have to end up using the whole box to have enough food in here. All right, so this is how the stock looks in a pot, a big pot like y'all saw me use. So I just decided to go ahead and use the whole thing, even though I'm only doing 4 potatoes, and I do cut them up really small because it lets them boil and cook down rather fast when I cut them up small. So this will be a speedy process for sure. Okay, so I got the potatoes on, boiling down in the stock, and then, excuse moi. Then I got the broccoli over here. I just did a really small portion of broccoli because Ace and August may or may not eat it. Sometimes they'll pick over like one Brussels or whatever, you know, so we'll see. But I didn't make a lot of that. And then the chicken is still sitting in this bowl, and I'm going to give it till like 7:15 before I start cooking this. But at least this will be the only thing. My oven's already preheated and everything, so this will be the only thing left to do, and this is going to bake for an hour once it's washed and seasoned up. All right, so here we go. Dinner is served. Broccoli, mashed potatoes, and barbecue chicken. I'm going to put across the screen what kind of mashed potatoes these are because I don't want certain people to know. And everything tastes great. And of course, we must show August's plate because that is just mandatory in these vlogs. All right, there's August's plate. He has 2 drumsticks, a little bit of broccoli, and some mashed potatoes. Now Ace is requesting to show his plate. He said he didn't want barbecue sauce on his chicken, so I made sure I left 3 of them plain. Now he's trying to add barbecue sauce out the bottle to the meat. Like, I just don't get it, but that's his food. All right, guys, this is going to be the end of this vlog. Thank y'all so much for tuning in and kicking it with me on this rainy day. I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and share this video on your platforms as well. Also, make sure that you do check out the links in the description box. One is for my online boutique where I sell cute women's clothing. Everything is a set over there. And then secondly, I have another link that takes you to my digital products that I am now creating. And you can go ahead and check those out as well. All right, so I will see y'all in the next video. Later, alligator.